Do you have a person in your contacts that you'd like to silence for a while? Well, you can turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone for individual contacts without them being notified. We'll cover how to put someone on Do Not Disturb while still receiving other needed notifications and messages. To turn on Do Not Disturb for an individual contact, open the Messages app and tap the conversation that you want to silence. Tap the arrow next to the contact's name, toggle on Hide Alerts, tap Done, and now you'll see a bell with a slash to the right of the thread in Messages. It's important to note that all message notifications from this contact will be muted until you turn off Do Not Disturb for this contact. You can also mute and unmute message threads by swiping left on them and tapping the bell icon. The bell with the slash through it mutes a message. The bell without a slash unmutes it. And there you go. Now you know how to silence a contact on your iPhone.
If you enjoyed this video tip and would like to see more, go to iPhoneLife.com/insider.